Is this reminiscent of the martial law rule? Agree and disagree altogether. I agree na parang yung style is reflective, kumbaga parang nung panahon ng tatay niya. Agree ako. During that time, nagkaroon ng bagong lipunan drive. So, during that time, para mai-promote sa taong bayan yung konsepto, yung idea ng new society o bagong lipunan, isinama talaga siya sa flag ceremony. It is somewhat reminiscent of it. Somewhat. But, on the other hand, ano yung binalik? Wala naman. Is it the bagong lipunan song? Hindi. Martial law ba tayo? Hindi. And even if the president declares martial law, Congress has 2 days to either continue the martial law or to go against it. Wala tayong martial law.